coffee grounds, coffee grounds. Tea bags, tea bags. Eggshells, eggshells. Bread crusts, bread crusts. Grape stem, grape stem. Carrot peel, carrot peel. Potato skin, potato skin. Apple core, apple core. Orange rind, orange rind. Banana peel, banana peel. Lime zest, lime zest. Carrot tops, carrot tops. Melon seeds, melon seeds. Watermelon rind, watermelon rind. Cucumber peel, cucumber peel. Onion skin, onion skin. Garlic skin, garlic skin. Celery ends, celery ends. Corn husk, corn husk. Lettuce stump, lettuce stump. Corn cob, corn cob. Bell pepper stem, bell pepper stem. Avocado pit, avocado pit. Mango seed, mango seed. Pineapple core, pineapple core. Kiwi skin, kiwi skin. Pomegranate husk, pomegranate husk. Strawberry hull, strawberry hull. Grapefruit peel, grapefruit peel. Beet greens, beet greens. Spinach stems, spinach stems. Cauliflower stems, cauliflower stems. Broccoli stalk, broccoli stalk. Zucchini ends, zucchini ends. Tomato stem, tomato stem. Toast crumbs, toast crumbs. Rice scrapings, rice scrapings. Pizza crust, pizza crust. Pancake bits, pancake bits. Muffin top, muffin top. Rice husk, rice husk. Wheat bran, wheat bran. Popcorn kernel, popcorn kernel. Grain chaff, grain chaff. Tea leaves, tea leaves. soda can remnants, soda can remnants. Juice pulp, juice pulp. Beer foam, beer foam. Wine dregs, wine dregs. Nutshells, nutshells. Pistachio shells, pistachio shells. Peanut shells, peanut shells. Sunflower seed shells, sunflower seed shells. Apricot pit, apricot pit. Papaya seeds, papaya seeds. Fig stem, fig stem. Cantaloupe seeds, cantaloupe seeds. Pear core, pear core. Raspberry seeds, raspberry seeds. Blackberry seeds, blackberry seeds. Blueberry stem, blueberry stem. Lemon seeds, lemon seeds. Fish bones, fish bones. Shrimp shells, shrimp shells. Crab shells, crab shells. Lobster shell, lobster shell. Chicken bones, chicken bones. Beef bones, beef bones. Pork fat trimmings, pork fat trimmings. Bacon grease, bacon grease. Duck fat, duck fat. Chicken skin, chicken skin. Fish scales, fish scales. Turkey carcass, turkey carcass. Meat gristle, meat gristle. Lamb fat, lamb fat. Peach pit, peach pit. Plum pit, plum pit. Cherry pit, cherry pit. Coconut shell, coconut shell. Avocado skin, avocado skin. Ginger peel, ginger peel. Pea pods, pea pods. Cauliflower leaves, cauliflower leaves. Cabbage cores, cabbage cores. Tomato peels, tomato peels. Mango peel, mango peel. Clam shells, clam shells. Apple peels, apple peels. pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seeds. Pear peels, pear peels. Bottle cap, bottle cap.